Making movies takes time. It takes a lot of time. But if you've got a full-time job, family commitments, and everything else that life throws at you, then finding the time to make a film can feel impossible. The good news is it's not. Plenty of filmmakers have started their careers while working full-time jobs. The key is time management, smart planning, and consistency. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 practical tips to help you balance filmmaking with a full-time job so that you can actually get your film made. Number 1 is to make a realistic plan. If you've only got a few hours per week to dedicate to filmmaking, then you need a plan that fits within those limits. Instead of aiming to shoot a feature-length film right away, start smaller. Write short scripts that you can film in a single weekend. Plan your shoot around your days off. And if you can, break up production so that you're shooting over multiple weekends instead of trying to cram it all into one big shoot. The more realistic your plan, the more likely you are to actually finish your film. Number 2 is maximizing your free time. You don't need huge chunks of time to move your project forward. Even small pockets of time can add up. On your commute, use that time to brainstorm ideas or listen to filmmaking podcasts. On lunch breaks, you can work on your script, create shot lists, or review footage. Then after work, even if you are tired, dedicate just 30 minutes to something productive, whether that is research, scheduling, or editing. If you make the most of the little moments, then you'll be surprised how much you can get done. Sometimes it's just about breaking everything down into small, unfailable steps. Number 3 is to build a reliable team. Now, you don't have to do everything alone. If you have a full-time job, then chances are your time is limited. And that is why building a solid team is key. Find a producer who can help manage logistics. Work with a DP and a sound person who can handle technical aspects so that you're not juggling everything yourself. Surround yourself with like-minded people who also have day jobs and understand the time constraints. Having a reliable team means you can delegate tasks and make your production run much smoother. Now, of course, building a team is easier said than done. This is also something that you will likely be able to do over an extended period of time. So perhaps your first film, you just work with one person. Then as time goes on, you add more and more people to that team. Number 4 is to schedule your shoots wisely. Trying to shoot after work during the week is going to burn you out pretty quickly. So instead, plan your shoots on the weekends or days off so that you have more energy and more daylight to work with. Also, group your shots together. If a scene takes place in one location, then shoot everything that you need in that location at once so that you don't have to keep coming back. The less you have to jump between locations and setups, the more efficient your shoot will be. Number 5 is to prioritize progress over perfection. One of the biggest challenges of balancing filmmaking with a full-time job is feeling like you don't have enough time to make things perfect. But here is the thing. Perfection will slow you down. Your first draft, it won't be perfect, just get it written. Your shots, they don't have to be Hollywood level, just make sure the story is clear. And the edit, done is better than perfect. The goal is to finish the project because every finished film gets you closer to the next one. If you are trying to make a film with a full-time job, number 1 is make a realistic plan. Number 2 is maximize your free time. Number 3 is build a reliable team. Number 4 is schedule shoots wisely. And number 5 is to prioritize progress over perfection. You don't need to quit your job to start making movies. You just need to use your time wisely and keep moving forward. Over the last 10 to 12 years, I myself have also worked some form of permanent employment alongside my filmmaking aspirations. Sometimes this work was full-time, and now over the years, I've prioritized it so that I have a part-time job, but I also have multiple businesses that allows me the flexibility to decide what it is that I do with my week, which then allows a lot of flexibility in how I create my film projects going forward. But it took time for me to get to this level, so maybe it's just something that you have to keep in mind as well. You can earn an income through full-time employment, but you can also earn an income through running some kind of business, and depending on what that business is, it could allow you flexibility as well. Just like anything that we want to do right in this world, it's something that will take time to perfect. But once again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.